will be one for the history books where increasing crime and violence is concerned. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is reporting that 1,581 persons have been murdered between January 1 and December 23. It's an increase of 257 or 21% when compared to the same period last year. And with just under a week remaining in 2017, the figures are troubling. TVJ's Krista Campbell has been crunching the numbers.
A crime wave sweeping the nation, and not even the Christmas breeze would suffice to slow it down. In fact, despite the festivities of the season, nearly 100 persons have been murdered so far this month, 93 to be exact. Overall, 1,581 persons have been killed so far this year, compared to 1,324 during the same period in 2016. That's 257 or 21% more persons killed so far this year than the same period last year. 1,581 being the highest murder figures the country has seen since 2009, with 5 more days to go in the year. St. James continued to lead the murder stats, recording 325 murders up to December 23, 2017. In Clarendon, 166 people have been murdered so far this year, St. Andrews South 154, Westmoreland 145, St. Catherine North 131, 107 in St. Catherine South, and 88 murders in the Kingston Western Police Division. 53 children and 8 police have been murdered up to December 23 this year, compared to 38 children and 6 police for the same period last year. Meanwhile, the police have been involved in more fatal shootings this year than in 2016. 156 persons have been fatally shot by the police, compared with 93 over the corresponding period last year. Illegal guns have been used in 1,302 or 82% of the murders this year, compared to 1,075 or 81% between January 1 and December 23 last year. But the police say they have seized 846 illegal guns and 21,648 rounds of ammunition for the period, compared to 632 guns and 8,456 ammunition for the same period last year. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.